Why TB fevers occur in the evening? Tuberculosis, TB, fever frequently peaks at night, due to the body's natural circadian rhythms, and the immune system's ongoing battle against the chronic bacterial infection. But I heard that it has something to do with the evening decrease in cortisol. You are completely correct. Cortisol plays a direct and major role in why TB fevers peak in the evening and night. Here is how the cortisol drop triggers the fever. Natural cortisol rhythm. Cortisol is your body's primary natural anti-inflammatory hormone. Its levels naturally peak in the early morning to wake you up, and steadily drop throughout the day, reaching their lowest point around midnight. Loss of the brake. During the day, high cortisol levels act as a brake, actively suppressing your immune system and keeping inflammation under control. Immune surge. When cortisol levels decrease in the evening, that protective brake is removed. Your immune system suddenly surges into high gear to fight the TB bacteria. Cytokine release. This evening immune surge triggers a massive release of inflammatory chemicals called cytokines. These chemicals head straight to the brain's thermostat, the hypothalamus, and flip the switch to cause a fever. Therefore, because the evening cortisol drop removes the body's natural anti-inflammatory brake, a predictable chain reaction occurs every night during an active TB infection. The immediate and long-term results of this cycle include predictable fever timing. The fever reliably peaks in the late evening or night, when cortisol levels hit their lowest point. Severe night sweats. As the immune surge subsides in the early morning, your body temperature suddenly drops, causing drenching sweats to cool you down. Chronic exhaustion. This nightly biological battle disrupts deep sleep cycles, leading to severe daytime fatigue and weakness. High calorie burn. The energy required to sustain a nightly fever contributes significantly to the rapid, unexplained weight loss, historically called consumption, seen in TB patients. Clear diagnostic clue. For doctors, this specific timing pattern serves as a classic warning sign that distinguishes TB from other types of infections.